It's nap time. She's snoring. Aw. Ready for another unboxing with a cat? I know it's nap time, but I thought I'd get one more in. Oh my God, she's so cute. Look at it, it's like rainbow. So this is from 2RDesigns. I bought this from the secondary market. Man, my hair is booked. I think it's called the Zephyr or something. It's this weird looking slider and it just looked awesome and I decided to buy it. Oh my God. Look at her little toes. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ah, I got my knife open. Okay, so, ooh, they've got painter tape on there, which makes it nice and easy to take off. Thank you, person who I bought this from. Okay. 2RDesigns. She's sleeping on the job. Can you hear the snoring? This thing came with Ultem plates. What the hell is that? Ooh, things are always so much smaller than I think they are. Okay, here we go. I guess this is like an anodized part here, and then the rest is brass. Oh. Magnets are really strong. Dude, this thing is crazy. Ew, what's in here? I thought this was like Delron plates or something. I guess this is like a dampener. It's foam. It's foam. What am I looking for here? Okay, so let's take a look at this. I was really excited about these Ultem plates. I have never seen anything like it. Okay, does it come with a tool? Yes, it does. Okay, I should probably, oh wait. Here is the COA. This is number 13. It's titanium. Knurl finish. This was made November 2021. 2RDesigns. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is turn the camera so that you can see me changing up the plates. But first, let's see if Fidget Cat approves of this. Hey, Fidget Cat. Fidget Cat. Here, Fidget Cat. I'll just rest it right here. Fidget Cat, what do you think of this? Can you believe that she's purring through all of this? Oh, okay, let me flip the camera around and we're gonna put on some Ultem plates. Alrighty, so here we go. Look at that. I guess you kind of need this spot right here to have good grip. Okay, so Let's see if we can do this. I've learned the way to do this easily. So the best way to do it, oh gosh, is unscrew, then put the other part on there and just lift off. What the fuck? There's two separate pieces? Wow. Shit. Okay. Well, maybe, oh shit. I was about to say, maybe this is a bad idea. Oh God. Oh, I need that out. Bitch, get out of there. Why are you stuck? That might not be good if you're stuck in there. Like that's gonna help. Oh fuck. That ain't gonna help me. Shit. Well, damn. I need to get that piece out. Wish I had a really strong magnet. All right, well, let's, I guess, just fuck it all up, huh? I want to make sure that I know everything together. I thought this would be easier. It's the story of my life, by the way. I thought this would be easier, but it's not. Shiata. I don't want to tear this. Fuck. Okay. I want to keep those pieces separate. Well, that one came out easier. Wow, look at that. Look at the difference in the plates. Okay. All right. Shit. It came out. Okay, great. That makes life a lot easier. So now I'm going to put, oh shit. Damn it. Stop being so magnetic. Shit. These are strong ass magnets. I thought I was gonna do this like a pro, but it's not working out like that. Come on. Come on, almost. Oof. Fuck. Kinda have to hold them all in there. Okay. Whew. Now, don't move. This has to go over here. Right? Shit. Come on, bitch. Oh, okay. Then this has to go in here. Right? Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Don't move, anybody. Don't fucking move. Now, if this works, then I can get the other one in a lot easier, because you have to use the magnets of one side to attract the other side. Otherwise, it's never going to be the right polarity. Just because they all seem like they're going in the right way, that doesn't mean anything. Okay. I've never seen Ultem plates before, and I'm excited. I've seen brass a lot. Okay, so now we take the other section, we take the magnets, and we have to have them attract. This way, we know that the polarity is correct. Because one random magnet in the wrong way fucks it all up. There we go. Much, much easier. God, look at the design of this thing. It's so crazy. Isn't that crazy? Okay. We're almost there. You know what's cool about Ultem? I don't know a ton about Ultem, but I do know that it's a surprisingly hard material, even though it's a form of plastic. And you have to get that shit really hot when you're working with it, so it's dangerous to work with. Not a lot of people like working with it. But I think it's supposed to be as strong as metal. Wow. Oh, wow. God, that feels so weird, dude. Damn, that feels weird. Damn. Let me make sure this shit's tight all the way. Yeah, I didn't even know this thing came with Ultem plates until I inquired about it. The dude had it for sale, and when I saw that, I'm like, bonus! Bonus! Let me zoom out a little bit here. Why is it? By the way, I want you guys to know I'm getting a new phone. I film this shit on my phone, and so it's coming next week. Nice. Now, I'm not going to say that this is as great as regular plates, but it's pretty damn good. Way better than the brass plates it came with. These were sticky. Oops. All right, well, there you have it, folks. I guess this is the Zephyr or whatever. Hold on. Let me grab that. Zephyr SL in titanium, knurl finish, but that's not, is that titanium? I thought this was like brass or something. I don't know, but it's cool. Anyway. I just love Ultem. Okay. She's still sleeping. Oh my God, look, she's got her foot up on my mat. That's rude. Fidget cat. Oh, she's dreaming. Do you think she's dreaming of fidgets? Should I wake her? Oh. Yes, your baby. Alrighty, Fidget cat signing off.